How did famous singers die? Elvis Presley, Michael Jackson, Whitney Houston, Freddie Mercury, Amy Winehouse, John Lennon, Kurt Cobain, Prince, David Bowie, George Michael, Aretha Franklin, Frank Sinatra, Janis Joplin, Jim Morrison, Jim Croce, Selena, Marvin Gaye, Tupac Shakur, the Notorious B.I.G., Bob Marley, Chester Bennington, Chris Cornell, Dolores O'Riordan, Tom Petty, Luciano Pavarotti, Donna Summer, Natalie Cole, Otis Redding, Buddy Holly, Patsy Cline, Karen Carpenter, Ronnie James Dio, Lemmy Kilmister, Glenn Frey, Leonard Cohen, B.B. King, Chuck Berry, Johnny Cash, Roy Orbison, Dusty Springfield, Etta James, Luther Vandross, Aaliyah, Sam Cooke, Billie Holiday, Nina Simone, Joe Cocker, Eddie Cochran. Don't forget to subscribe for more.